Pineapple pretzel salad. Start with 2 cups of crushed pretzels that we put as the bottom crust of the dessert here. Go ahead and try to get it flattened on the bottom as much as you can. Then we're going to pour in 1 cup of butter carefully over the top of it. Okay, so we got our butter over there. Give it one more smooth just to get it all tossed together in there. We got our oven preheated to 350, and we're going to throw it in there for just 10 minutes. We'll bring it right back out. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take that out. We're just going to set it to the side here. We'll let it cool down while we're making our layer to put on top of it. Throw in cream cheese into this bowl. We're going to start our creamy layer. 8-ounce cream cheese. We're going to throw in a cup of sugar. And we're going to cream that together. All right, we got that nice and creamed together. So go ahead and get your mixer all cleaned off so you get all the good stuff off of there. All right, now that we got that cleaned off, we're going to fold in our 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. So we got our creamy layer all nice and folded together. So let's put that to the side. We're going to make our top layer as well. So as soon as that cools, we're ready to go. So we're going to throw in 2 cans of crushed pineapple, 20 ounces each. Throw that into our bowl. Then we're going to throw in half of a 3.4 ounce pack of vanilla instant pudding and just get that nice and mixed together in there. Get that nice and mixed together. So let's bring back in our cooled crust and all ready to go. So we're going to put our creamy layer over the top of that. Now you all fuss at me for not scraping. Get that nice, evenly smooth over the top of our pretzel layer. Then we're going to bring in our pineapple layer to go on top of that. Just try to pour it evenly over the top. Just get that evenly spread over the top. All right, and then we're going to let it chill in the fridge for a couple hours. Give this thing a try. All right, let's give this a try. That's a little different consistency from the strawberry one, because that one was jello and this one is pudding in the mix. Ooh, that looks good.
Wow, it smells good.
That looks really good. Ooh, moment of truth. Johnny likey. Why did I say that? Here we go. Whoa. If y'all looking for an Easter dessert, spring, or really you could do it any time of year, this is super good. If you like the strawberry pretzel salad, you will love this too, I promise. It's so good.